Hi, it's Brandon from J Contractors. Today we are fixing a corner patch where we are closing the corner exactly as it was. So we started by we mix cement and permabond in this way, because as you can see it now, if we don't do this, we'll struggle with gravity where the mortar will keep peeling off and peeling off. So this way it really helps for it to bond nicely. So we mix cement, direct cement and permabond, then you apply it like you're applying paint. So that's the first stage. To speed up the drying, what we use cement again, where we apply cement, we apply it, then the cement sucks all the water out so that it can dry quick. Because remember, we don't want it to dry so hard. We just want it to make sure it bonds together. After that, we come again and we apply. In this case, because it's a corner, I'm telling you, it's not easy, but you have to go with it bit by bit. You don't have to put once and you sure everything is done. So we make sure at first we apply the first one, then we waited for 30 to 1 hour for it to dry. So as you can see now, we are applying for the first one. This one you doesn't have to worry, is it straight, is it just apply as the mortar that can stick there, apply it. So once that's done, leave it for some time, 20 to 30 minutes, and you come back again until you make it straight. And there, boom, we already make everything. Now we're applying primer to it, because in this case we are using everything is water-based paint specifically for exteriors. So we didn't have to wait for for it to dry, because it will bond nicely. Then after that, we apply. Now we are applying the second coat, and this is our color coming out, and it's really going well. Guys, if you enjoy these types of video, I kindly ask if you like, share, and leave a comment below if there's any area that you want us to improve, that you want us to focus on. We'll gladly do so. Thank you so much. If you need anything that we use in this particular project, send me a comment below and say, what did you use? I'll send all the list of the paint, the name paint, brand paint, so that you can use